startup world is buzzing with funding activity. I'm Radhika Udas and a very warm welcome to you to the Daily Dispatch. The companies that are in focus today are Wow Momo, Razorpay and Freshworks. Our first story today, restaurant chain Wow Momo has raised $15 million in its Series C round of funding, standing at a valuation of $175 million. The round was led by Treeline Investment Management and had participation from Indian Angel Network and Lighthouse Funds. Now, the company will be using these funds to expand its FMCG business along with its quick service, restaurant, and cloud kitchen brands. Our second story today, digital payments firm Razorpay has received funding from Salesforce Ventures, which is the investment arm of the cloud software company Salesforce. Now, while the amount was not disclosed, the strategic investment will help Razorpay expand its services in Southeast Asian markets and to grow its business banking vertical. Our third story today, reports suggest that customer engagement software maker Freshworks is expecting to raise up to $969 million in its upcoming IPO. This would bring the company's valuation to nearly $9.6 billion. It is expected to list its stock on Nasdaq on September 22nd. The net proceeds will be used for general corporate purposes and to acquire complementary businesses, products, services, or technologies.
Well, moving on to our second segment, I have with me a business that is super interesting. Over the last couple of months, we've been seeing a lot of users tap into it to listen to music and podcasts and much more. And joining us for this very interesting conversation is Amarjeet Singh Batra from Spotify. Thank you very much for joining us today on the Daily Dispatch. I want to begin, with the few numbers that are out in the public domain. According to your filings, about 16 crore rupees is the kind of revenue that Spotify has clocked over the last financial year. And interesting numbers out there indicating that there is a surge in the number of people listening to music and subscribing to Spotify. So tell us a little bit about the journey and how the growth has been over the last year.
And our journey for the last couple of years, if you see, has been a lot about our users, but the differentiation that we have, because of our huge base around the world. We have been 11, 12 years into running a music, streaming business. Now we are audio, which is podcast also. And we have seen that the insights that we have learned around the world around user recommendations, personalization, and a great product experience has reflected very well in India also, of course, with localization. And our users in India are spending much more time on Spotify than anywhere else. And as brand also, we have seen a lot of love all around for us. The big thing that we have stated when we launched in India and still today also is that we are looking at it as a very long-term investment from our side. We are not here for the short term. We are here to help the music industry grow. We are here to help the music artists and creators being recognized and distributed around, not only in India but go around the world, where Spotify has in 180 markets plus we are kind of a present. And that's our intention, and we want to basically make sure that we are building some meaningful experience for our creators and listeners, and we continue to invest around those areas as the time progresses. Yeah. So excited about that. Yeah.
Right, interesting insights out there. I want to talk to you a little bit about the subscriptions. We've seen a massive growth in subscriptions, which is contributing to a large chunk of your revenues as well. So run us through a little bit about what kind of growth can we expect in users and perhaps paid users as we move ahead in this financial year.
Yeah, I'll give you a context of the market first to give you a context on the paying user. I think India is, though we have been 2.5 years into this market, but streaming, as such has been long enough, maybe 8-9 years in India. But I think if you look at the market today, we are still about 100 to 150 million streamers in the market, and over the last year, I mean, if you look at the way things have grown with Bollywood industry or film industry being hit because of releases, I think the market hasn't grown significantly in terms of new releases, but as Spotify, we have grown significantly. And we believe that the habit of streaming is something that Spotify has started to build now over the last few years, and we are excited about making sure that this job is done well, because there were so many avenues to do listen to music, or and still today a lot of people still are on pirated music sites and so on. So it's important that we as businesses first focus on the fundamental thing, where we are trying to create a habit of listening to music. We always knew that in India is not our, as a market, is not known for willingness to pay for music at this stage, and we want to change that. But that will be a gradual change over the next few years. We're already seeing that in India, the way we have launched various options of paying for music, we probably have the maximum number of options to pay, whether it is a standard plan, or whether it's a family plan, or whether it's a student plan, or whether it's a duo. And I think our most exciting offering, which is Premium Mini, which is for 7 days or 1 day, we have been able to kind of get a lot of user insights on how people consume music and how they want to pay for music. And using the insights that we have from paying users as well as non-paying users, we are very confident that over time, I think this whole market will become a significant paying market. But that job still needs to be done. And at Spotify, we are focused to make sure. That's why the bigger focus for us is how do we make streaming the main destination for people wanting to listen to music. Because today people have many options. They can, like you said, they can even sideload pirated music out there in small towns on phones and so on. We want to change everything like that. We want to bring people to the ease of listening to music, of catalogs of millions and millions of songs, millions and millions of podcasts. And for that to happen, we have kind of a focus on making sure our product globally as well as in India is continuously evolving. We are launching amazing features, globally, which we are bringing them to India, so that we can offer that engagement and opportunity for creators and fans to basically create better content or curate content, as well as consume better content in a better way. And if we do that well, we are very confident that the paying subscribers will continue to increase.
I'm going to come to the new feature I'm going to add in just a bit. But before that, I want to talk about one thing that's on everyone's mind, which is podcasts. And we've seen a rapid growth of podcasts over the last year with work from home, people working remotely, people having much more time on their hands. So Rana, so what kind of growth you've seen in the podcast space overall?
Podcast is extremely exciting right now, and in fact, whoever is listening to this, if you're a podcast potential creator, you should look at podcasts, because this is a white space market today in India. And I believe that the largest growth in the future in audio will come in podcast. We have seen in the last 2 years, we have focused very strongly on this. We have developed a pretty nice roster of original content in podcast, with different genres, with different content. The latest being some very exciting thriller podcast with Bollywood celebs. We have done a gaming podcast recently, which is rocking our charts right now, which is MythPat, which is basically talking about a very strong gamer talking about to his fans and about the gaming that he does. And across the board, we have kind of been able to introduce very interesting storytelling, motivational, other podcasts, even for cricket and so on. So that's the huge piece of work that is happening right now. On the other hand of it, we also brought a lot of good content exclusives on our platform, like the Ranveer Show and so on. And that also is actually helping us a lot. The exciting part for us outside of creating content is how we are enabling creators. At Spotify, we invested behind a tool called Anchor a few years back. And today, Anchor is driving a lot of content creation across the globe for Spotify. And almost 60% of the content coming on Spotify is coming on through Anchor. And in India, what we are focusing there is that we believe that the best way to get creators to make podcasts is first to teach them how to make podcasts. And luckily, we have one of the best tools, which is Anchor, which helps people to create and distribute podcasts so easily. So what we are doing is we are doubling down on that creator creation and through Anchor. And that piece is for us is exciting. through that, we have seen that people in regional languages are now coming up and creating podcasts, because earlier podcast industry used to be a lot of English podcasts, little bit of Hindi, but now you are seeing Tamil podcasts coming up in a big way, Bengali and Telugu and so on, which is exciting for this market because we have 22 languages, and Indians love to talk, and I think we are for people who work is to talk, or who want to just talk for work. Irrespective of that, they should look at podcasts as such. Yeah. So we are excited about that. I think the other podcast industry growth that we have seen is that podcast is a very nice complement for us for music, and we have seen that most of our music listeners who listen to podcasts, they are more engaging users, and that's great for us because that means we are building a stronger habit for audio content. And during our time, if you see, I mean, I look at the market from many perspectives, and one of the perspectives I look for is that India is turning into an amazing growth story. I mean, and at your story, you're covering so many nice entrepreneurs creating some amazing business journeys out here. And I think in a market which creates amazing stories and so much of work has to be done, I think podcast and audio is the best tool for everybody to continue to work at the best pace and looking and listening on the background, rather than spending time on video and other stuff, so which takes your time from productive things to do that. So we are excited about the way India's story fits in with the audio story, and we believe that there's a lot for us to contribute there.
Right, a final question before I let you go, Amarjeet, on the new features and what's coming up at Spotify. I think all our viewers want to know all the exciting things that they can look forward to, whether it be video content or whether it be different features that you're looking at introducing. So if you could give us maybe 3 or 4 points in terms of what can we expect going forward.
Yeah, at Spotify, I think one of the big things that we are focusing on is the passion economy. We believe that this is a time has come when creators will go out and create content, and they will need platforms like ours to kind of build their fan base and build their audiences. And I think we already were doing that in a big way for the last few years with music and so on, with podcast. We are actually working more towards figuring out how can we enable them better. So the tools like Anchor that I talked about is a great way to kind of build that, build that do-it-yourself, tooling within that. I mean, Anchor globally is doing a lot of work, and I think we'll talk more about it as it comes, but that will allow many creators to be able to interact with their fans in a better way. The feature that we are launching right now in India, we just launched a feature called Music Plus Talk. So we used to have music and we used to have podcasts, but I think if you look at the way people sometimes look at listening, if you go back to the radio habit also to some extent, you wanted to listen to content, but you wanted to listen to a story behind that content. And with Music Plus Talk feature available now on Spotify, people are creating very interesting stories around the content they're creating, or maybe music artist is able to tell their story via different songs that they kind of created. So that is the feature we are very, very interested, and we're seeing how this develops in India. There's a feature we launched called Blend, which is about how do we connect to users. I mean, people, Spotify does a great job with personalized recommendations, but how do you kind of combine 2 recommendations of people so you can actually, you and I mean somebody else, you can, as between your brothers and friends and so on, you can blend your music taste and create a playlist automatically via Spotify. And that's a great feature, which I think has just been launched and it's coming. Outside of that, I think we are continuously looking at launching features across the board, and you can expect us to, bring more interesting features globally as well as in India.
All right. On that note, thank you very much for being a part of the Daily Dispatch. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and we wish you all the very best with Spotify's journey ahead. Thank you so much for your time.
That's a wrap for today. We'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day and stay safe.